Have you ever felt uneasy about your online privacy or wished you could bypass those pesky regional restrictions while streaming? Well, you're not alone, and we've got the solution for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a VPN on your PC. Whether you're looking for a free option or considering a premium service, I've got you covered. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, your internet will not only be safer, but also way more versatile. Let's jump in. First things first, what exactly is a VPN? A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is your ultimate online security sidekick. It creates a secure tunnel for your data, encrypting it, and hiding your IP address. This means added privacy, improved security, and the ability to access content that's geo-blocked. Imagine watching that show everyone's raving about that's not available in your country. Cool, right? VPNs also protect your browsing activity from hackers and companies trying to track your every click. Whether you're working on public Wi-Fi or just want a little extra privacy, a VPN is basically a must-have in today's digital landscape. So let's talk about setting up a free VPN first. There are a handful of reliable options out there, but keep in mind they come with limitations, like slower speeds and fewer servers. For this tutorial, I'll be using ProtonVPN, a highly rated free service. Here's the step-by-step process. Visit the official ProtonVPN website. This part's important as third-party sites could give you malware-filled downloads. Sign up for a free account. You'll just need to provide an email address to get started. Once you've signed up, download the ProtonVPN software for Windows. Install the app and log in using your credentials. It's super simple. Now pick a free server location and boom, you're protected. You'll notice that the free version has limited server locations, but hey, it's free and still works like a charm for basic needs. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, a paid VPN is totally worth considering. Paid VPNs are faster, offer more server options, and usually throw in extra features like ad blockers and dedicated customer support. For this walkthrough, I'll use NordVPN, one of the most popular premium choices. First, head to the official NordVPN website and pick a plan. They often run discounts, and hey, who doesn't love saving a little cash? After signing up, download the app for Windows. Install it just like any other software and log into your account. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can connect to over 5,000 servers across the globe. Want to watch a show only streaming in Japan? Just select a Japanese server and you're good to go. What's even better? Paid VPNs come with advanced encryption and won't throttle your speeds. It's like upgrading from a skateboard to a rocket. Setting up a VPN is just the start. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of it. Enable automatic connection. Forgetting to turn it on leaves your session unprotected, so don't skip this step. Switch servers occasionally. This helps you avoid slower speeds due to traffic congestion. Always use a trusted provider. Free services not vetted by experts can sometimes gather your data, which totally defeats the point of a VPN. And lastly, double-check your IP address using free tools online to ensure your VPN is working. So guys, and there you have it. Whether you're protecting your browsing activity or unlocking content from around the world, setting up a VPN is a game changer. What's stopping you from securing and upgrading your internet experience today? If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs to know about VPNs. Looking for the tools I mentioned? I've linked everything in the description below, so go check those out and get started on your VPN today. And as always, leave your questions or favorite VPN tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected.